cities in Poland. We are now in the city of Ustron. This city is known to many tourists. There are a lot of hotels, sanatoriums, boarding houses. You can also rent apartments for a few days. This city is located in the mountains. Here you can engage in outdoor activities, skiing, cycling through the mountains, just walking. Your nature will not leave anyone indifferent. There is clean mountain air. You will get a boost of energy here for a long time. But I want to show you the city. Visit a local cafe. I must say right away that such cities a cafe is not cheap to eat. You understand the tourist city in the first argument for prices. I invite you for a walk around the city of Ustron. Welcome!
Now we are in the center of Ustron. The city administration is located here. Best and various city events are held here on the center square. See how the facade of the city library is decorated. It's original. Many tourists come here and go to the mountains. Others ride bicycles and skiers can do sports. I already said the city is for active people. Ustron has a quiet life for active people, and local residents take care of the comfort of their city. Today I will show you the Rose Burger restaurant. This is a very tasty restaurant. I recommend to eat here. Prices are not cheap but tasty and you will be full and satisfied. The town is not big but very cozy. Lots of cafes, restaurants for every taste. There are also many supermarkets and souvenir shops. There are always many vacations on the banks of the Wisla River. The river is mountainous and the water is always cold. Many birds live near the river and now you can see what kind of fish swim, big and small. Also, for the first time I tried such cheese with jam. Very tasty and satisfying. This cafe is suitable for all ages. The smell is very appetizing even from the street. The donuts here are always fresh and delicious. A large assortment, for example, tiramisu, Snickers, Bounty with different fruits, Nutella, donuts. It's so delicious. and squares in the city. There are playgrounds, an amphitheater, a museum. There are many hotels and sanatoriums with medical waters in the mountains area. In this city, actively rest and improve their health. This city is sure to leave a great memories after a holiday here.
Our travels around the city of Poland will continue. There will be new video tours. Be sure to check the subscription and we'll travel together on my channel, Not Nata. Thanks to everyone who watched this video to the end. Don't forget to write comments and I'm waiting for your likes. And now I say Ustron bye and see you soon on my channel next week.